It all starts with one question. What does it really mean to be human? For thousands of years, nature decided our limits. Our muscles, our brains, our lifespan, everything was written in DNA, passed down through time. We built tools, machines, and civilizations, but the human body stayed the same. Until now. Because for the first time in history, we've become the engineers of our own evolution. We're rewriting the very blueprint of life, not through chance or time, but through technology. From gene editing to neural implants, humans are learning how to upgrade themselves. Scientists can now edit DNA with CRISPR, cutting and rewriting genes like text in a document. Neural implants are helping paralyzed patients regain movement. Bionic limbs can now feel pressure, texture, and warmth. These are not experiments anymore. They're clinical realities. And here's the thing. We've reached a point where evolution has gone digital. The next leap forward won't come from nature. It'll come from code. Imagine this. You walk into a hospital, not for surgery, but for an update. Your heart monitor syncs with your smartwatch, your neural implant receives a firmware patch, and your body's immune system is upgraded by CRISPR 3.0. You walk out stronger, faster, more alert. The line between human and machine, it's gone. Now let's talk about why people are doing this. Some want to heal, to overcome paralysis, blindness, or disease. But others, they want to enhance, to go beyond human, to run faster, think sharper, live longer. That's the philosophy behind transhumanism, the belief that humanity's destiny is to transcend biology itself. It's part science, part rebellion, a movement of dreamers who refuse to accept human limitations. But for every dreamer, there's a warning. Because when you can modify your body and mind like software, who controls the code? If your thoughts are connected to a network, can someone hack your mind? If your body is upgraded through a private company, does that company own part of you? Let's not forget, technology always comes with a price. In the near future, being human might depend on how much you can afford to upgrade. The rich could buy strength, intelligence, even immortality, while the rest stay behind. A world divided not by wealth, but by biology. And yet, it's not just a dystopian dream. In labs around the world, breakthroughs keep happening. Scientists have grown mini human brains in petri dishes that can learn. Neural implants are helping paralyzed patients regain movement. Bionic limbs can now feel pressure, texture, and warmth. These are not experiments anymore. They're the future. We're witnessing the moment when biology and technology become one language. Our cells are the hardware, DNA is the software, and evolution, it's entering the cloud. If this blows your mind, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, because this is where the future gets really interesting. Think about this. What happens when AI merges with human consciousness? When your memories can be backed up, edited, or shared like files? When you don't die, you just reboot. Some futurists predict that by 2045, humans could achieve digital immortality, uploading the mind into a synthetic body or a cloud-based system. Others believe consciousness can't be copied, that we'd only create digital ghosts, simulations that think they're us. So maybe the real question isn't can we, but should we? Should we chase perfection at the cost of our humanity? Or is imperfection, the fear, the love, the mortality, the very thing that makes us human in the first place? In the end, maybe evolution isn't about leaving humanity behind, but redefining what humanity means. The future won't be man or machine. It'll be something entirely new, a hybrid species born from curiosity and code. We used to look at stars and dream of becoming gods. Now, we look at circuits and dream of becoming immortal. This is not science fiction anymore. This is evolution, version 2.0, and it's already begun.